Welcome back, guys. Today's video, we're top 5 kitchen gadgets on Amazon. We will see now.
Number 1. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a compact 6-egg capacity appliance for quickly making hard-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs or omelets. It features an auto shutoff function, ensuring the eggs are cooked safely without overcooking. Its small size, 5.5 inches, makes it ideal for tight kitchen spaces or dorms, and it includes trays for boiling, poaching, and omelets, plus a measuring cup for water levels. Available in aqua, it's praised for convenience, speed, and ease of use, though some users report it can be noisy when done cooking. Number 2, the Dash Mini Donut Maker is a compact, kid-friendly appliance designed to make 7 mini donuts at a time. With a non-stick surface, it's easy to clean and ensures donuts release smoothly after cooking. It's perfect for quick breakfast, snacks, or desserts, allowing users to create homemade donuts in minutes without the need for frying. The machine's aqua color adds a fun, vibrant touch to any kitchen. And its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces. Great for making treats with the family, it's a convenient and easy-to-use gadget. Number 3, the Avinia Digital Kitchen Timer is a versatile and easy-to-use countdown and count-up timer designed for various tasks like cooking, fitness, studying, teaching, and baking. It features a large, clear LED display that makes it easy to read from a distance. The timer is magnetic, allowing you to stick it to any metal surface for convenient placement in the kitchen, classroom, or gym. Number 4, the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel is a compact ergonomic pizza slicer designed for easy and efficient cutting. Its circular blade ensures smooth slicing through pizza crusts of any thickness. The protective blade cover enhances safety during storage, while its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. Number 5, the 2024 Electric Spin Scrubber is a powerful and innovative cordless cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning tasks faster, more efficient, and less physically demanding. This scrubber is packed with modern features including voice prompts, multiple brush heads, adjustable speeds, and an extendable handle. It's ideal for cleaning bathrooms, floors, tiles, and other surfaces that require deep scrubbing. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features. It's a budget-friendly option with many advanced features.